Hello everybody, in this lesson I will teach you how to solve linear equations. The question is solve for a. So that means you want to find a alone on the one side and all the numbers and the constants and everything else on the other side. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to get rid of the 3a by subtracting 3a on the left and minus 3a on the right. Then minus 3a plus 3a can cancel, and on the right hand side 5a minus 3a is 2a. Then I want to solve a, so I want to find a on one side. So the thing that's in the way is the plus 7 on the right hand side. Therefore, I will subtract 7 on the right hand side and subtract 7 on the left hand side. And then plus 7 minus 7 is nothing. And on the left hand side, minus 7 plus 5 is negative 2. Is equal to 2a. I want to solve a, so the coefficient in front of a, the 2, that one is in the way, and I will get rid of that one by dividing both sides by 2, where I will say 2 goes in itself once, 2 goes in itself once, and on the left hand side 2 goes in itself once, 2 goes in itself once. Therefore, the solution a is equal to negative 1. Solve for x, and then I give you the equation. Now the problem here is the brackets. So we first need to get rid of the bracket by 4x we'll write with, and we get rid of the brackets by multiplying in the plus 6, and then it becomes 6x minus 12 minus 8 equals 0. In the next step, I will first add my like terms. Therefore, 4x plus 6x is 10x, and then the constant terms minus 12 minus 8 is negative 20 is equal to 0. And can you see how the equal signs all line up? I want to solve x, so I want to get rid of the negative 20. Therefore, I will add 20 on the left and add 20 on the right. And then on the left hand side, plus 20 minus 20 is nothing, and I'm left with 10x equals, and on the right hand side 0 plus 20 is 20. And again I want to solve x, therefore I have to get rid of the coefficient of x. So in other words, I want to get rid of that 10 in front of x by dividing both sides by 10. And I will say 10 goes in itself once and 10 goes in itself once, and on the right hand side 10 goes in itself once, 10 goes into 20 twice. Therefore my solution x is equal to 2. Before we continue, have you subscribed yet? Or you can like this video, and better yet, please tell your friends about my channel. Let's continue. Solve for x. Again, there's your equation, and now there's two brackets that you have to get rid of by saying 6 times x and 6 times 3 leaves you with 6x plus 18. And then to get rid of the bracket here, you will say negative 2 times x and negative 2 times negative 3, and it becomes minus 2x plus 6 equals 0. Then you add your like terms. 6x minus 2x is 4x, and then the constant terms, that's the numbers, plus 18 plus 6 is plus 24 is equal to 0. Now I want to get rid of the plus 24, therefore subtract 24 on the left hand side and subtract 24 on the right hand side. So on the left hand side, negative 24 plus 24 is nothing, and you're left with 4x equals, and on the right hand side 0 minus 24 is minus 24. Now I want to solve x. So I want to get rid of the coefficient in front of x. I want to get rid of the 4. Therefore, I will divide both sides by 4. And it becomes 4 goes in itself once, 4 goes in itself once, 4 goes in itself once, 4 goes into 24 6 times. Therefore, my solution, x is equal to minus 6. Solve for y. And again, I want to get rid of the brackets first. Therefore, I will say 5 times 2y and 5 times 1. It becomes 10y plus 5. And then I want to get rid of the bracket here. So I will say negative 3 times 2y and negative 3 times 3. And that one is negative 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Again, add my like terms. 10y minus 6y is 4y. And on the constant terms, the numbers, plus 5 minus 9 is negative 4 is equal to 0. Then I want to solve y, so I want to get rid of the negative 4. And I will add 4 on the left hand side, add 4 on the right hand side. On the left hand side, plus 4 minus 4 is nothing, and you're left with 4y. And on the right hand side, 0 plus 4 is 4. Now I want to solve y. So I want to get rid of the coefficient in front of y by dividing both sides by that coefficient, by dividing by 4. And then I will say 4 goes in itself once, 4 goes in itself once. And on the right hand side, 4 goes in itself once, 4 goes in itself once. Therefore, the solution, y is equal to 1. In the next video, I will teach you how to solve an equation that contains fractions. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next video.